Am I on film now?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, that's one of the things that's most interesting and powerful about science is actually to be able to notice, it's called fish on a pole, things that you've seen 100 times. This is actually a soapberry tree, and you see it in a new way. You understand something new about it. This actually was probably 100 million years ago or so, kind of a log jam area. This whole area was aquatic, maybe shallow seas. During the Cretaceous period, the trees were what we call lepidodendrons. They were tree-sized club mosses. And so if you'd visited the world at the time these fossils were made, it would have looked very different. You would have said, there's something weird about this forest. Here's an example of one of the fossils. Right here. And then here's another one over here. Right there. There's a little one there. Now, here's another one right here. This is actually the impression of the bark of a lepidodendron. And lepido means scaly, and the trees were given that name because their bark had scales on them like this. The wood, petrified or not, is gone, and all we have left is the impression. That's probably the best one I've ever seen. It's very clearly a grain of wood, and it's also very old because it's not wood anymore. There's one right there, there's one right there, there's another one right here, there's another one right there. This one's going this way, these are going that way, that one's going that way. This is a particularly good set of specimens right here. This is very good because it's stained more darkly than the surrounding rock because it absorbed iron while the fossil was forming. This is a post oak tree, Quercus stellata. This is the only place here in Oklahoma, a little bit in Kansas, a little bit in Texas, is the only place where you can find whole forests that are composed with dominant species of post oak. As we start to go over onto the east side, we'll start to see a few of the other kinds of oaks. These are species that are beginning to form the canopy, like that tree right there, a canopy individual, is a red oak. You can see that even two sides of the mountain can have very different dominant plant species.